Lesson 10.8 is rational equations, level 2. So remember to check for extraneous solutions, which happen when x equals 0. So x can't equal 0. Put any whole numbers over 1, and then you're trying to find your least common multiple for your denominators. So that would be your x plus 4, or multiply this whole equation times x plus 4. And so this would be x times x plus 4 minus, I'm going to go ahead and start seeing that these cancel out. So then I just have the x plus 2. You have to make sure to put parentheses around that because that negative is going to get distributed to both terms. And then again, my x plus 4s are going to cancel, so I get 2. Okay, then I distribute, so that would be an x squared. I've created a quadratic. X times 4 is 4x minus x minus 2 equals 2. I'm going to have to get this set equal to 0 and factor. 4x minus 1x is 3x. Subtract 2 and it's not 0, it is negative 4. Equal to 0. I have to have a positive times a negative. That would subtract to make 3. That would be more positive, so 4 is positive, and then minus 1. So the only thing that's added to these level 2 type problems is that you now have a quadratic and you could get possibly 2 answers instead of 1. So this one would be negative 4, and this would be positive 1 as our answers. But remember, I cannot have this equal 0. So if I'm going to plug in negative 4 here, negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. That's a problem. So that one's out. 1 is fine. There's no problem with plugging in a 1 to any of those denominators. So that is my only solution. All right, and number 2, we got 2 parts that have no denominator. So put over 1. It's easy to get our least common multiple here. It's just x plus 4. So nothing's going to cross cancel. I'll have my 2 times x plus 4. Minus my x plus 4s will cross cancel, so I'm left with the numerator 5. And then again, nothing cancels, so it'd be x times x plus 4. Distribute. That's 2x plus 8 equals x squared plus 4x. Since x squared's here, I'm going to move everything over, so that's going to subtract 8 minus 5 is positive 3, but then I'm going to subtract it as well. So I get x squared plus 2x minus 3. Factor. We want to multiply to make negative 3, but add to make 2. So it'd be positive 3 and negative 1. So answers would be negative 3, positive 1. The only problem would have been if we would have gotten x to be negative 4. That would make that denominator 0, and I didn't get that, so I don't have to check these answers. It's both of them. And that's it.